Are you ready to see what I think is going to be one of the biggest hair trends for 2022? And I'm starting to see some of it on TikTok, which is why I think it could be happening. All right, get yourselves ready. Here it is. This, yes, ladies and gentlemen, this haircut, which basically can't allow someone to see properly, I think is going to be the biggest hair trend in 2022 on social media, and let's talk about it. So it's a very obviously in-your-face type of look, very, very textured. I mean, it's kind of like see-through hair, okay? But the whole thing is really about all this texture and then the volume throughout here as well, okay? So it's not just like it's laying flat, it's all about volume and texture. So what type of hair would this work on, hair texture? Well, obviously if you have wavy hair, it would work well. But also if you have straight hair, this could work out as well too, because this mannequin has straight hair. And what I did is I went in and actually just created layers and the way I blow dried it. So yeah, it's gonna look wild, it's gonna look messy, parents are probably gonna hate it, but I'm seeing this on TikTok and I keep getting requests for it. And you know, it really involves creating a base, right? When I always talk about the base, establishing the length. So, you know, right to the bottom of the neck area, and then just all kind of angles upwards going like this. So somewhat of a rounded shape where it's a little bit shorter throughout the front here. And you can see this hair goes down to probably like the top lip. And you want to have that length. You don't want to, for this particular look, the longer, the better. Obviously, if it's way down here, it's going to be too long. But we're talking right to the bottom of the nose. And even if you scrunch it, the thing that's crucial about this is that, look, even if we scrunched it up like this, all right, you're still going to get like, you're going to get all that texture in through here, okay? You're going to get all that texture and that volume that we're looking for. So it's a very rounded, kind of full, wild shape. And the length on the sides here comes down just below the ear area, right? And the real important part of this haircut is the layers. So the more you layer this, meaning the shorter you cut the top, right, the more it's going to take away from this shape. So the layers have to be really balanced, but you also have to have some length. And this is probably a good almost 6 inches in length right into here, because you need that in order to get this volume and movement and this kind of wild, messy look. If you don't have this, then the hair is not going to, it's just not going to work for this style, right? So everything is layered, a somewhat, you know, square shape, because we have it coming out this way, all right? And the more you round this out, the more you're going to get volume throughout and through here. But as you can see, in order to have this type of style, you know, not only do you need the right haircut, you need the right products, and that's where Tidal Wave comes in, and also using a little bit of locked hairspray. But my Tidal Wave sea salt spray right here is really an essential product for something like this. And you also want to spray it on and let it air dry, or you can use a diffuser, which on my blow dryer right here, this is available at shop.thesalonguy.com. You know, you can actually spray this on the hair, and then the best way to get this is by using a diffuser and just not even really scrunch it, and then let the blow dryer do the work with the diffuser, and that's going to help you dry it. So these are available on my website, as well as the Tidal Wave and everything else. So you spray that on, you can scrunch it into the hair. Once it's fully dry, then you're going to be able to get like this wild type of shape into here. And then you just don't touch it. You don't touch the hair at all. Just let the hair do its thing. I know some of you be like, what are you, crazy? This looks hideous. I'm seeing it all over social media and TikTok. So, you know, and I bet some of you watching, you're going, that's my hair, that's my hair. So let me know if you have this hairstyle, if you want this hairstyle. Don't forget, if you use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20, 20% off at shop.thesalonguy.com, and also free shipping in the United States on orders with a value of over $50. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.